Hello, I'm Ron. I had the iFlight Cineflow 5 out just the other day. Really enjoying this quad. And I also wanted to share with you 5 quick tips to really improve your FPV footage. If you think I missed something, let me know in the comments. Have a nice weekend.